Visualization is a potent technique used to manifest desires by creating a mental image of the desired outcome. When done with focus, clarity, and emotion, visualization activates the subconscious mind, aligns your energy with your goals, and accelerates the manifestation process. Here's a detailed guide on a powerful visualization technique to manifest anything you want in life. Step 1. Set your intentions before you begin the visualization process. Take a moment to clarify your intentions. What do you want to manifest in your life? Be specific and clear about your desires, whether it's a new job, improved health, loving relationships, financial abundance, or personal growth. Step 2. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner in your home, a peaceful park, or any place where you feel relaxed and at ease. Step 3. Relax your body and mindset, or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and calm your mind. Release any tension or stress you may be holding onto, and allow yourself to enter a state of deep relaxation. Step 4. Visualize your desired outcome now. Begin to visualize your desired outcome as if it's already happening in the present moment. Create a detailed mental image of what it looks, feels, sounds, and even smells like to have your desires fulfilled. Engage all your senses to make the visualization as vivid and realistic as possible. Step 5. Use emotion to amplify your visualization. As you continue to visualize, infuse your mental image with positive emotions such as joy, gratitude, excitement, and love. Feel the emotions as if your desires have already manifested, and allow yourself to experience the full range of sensations associated with achieving your goals. Step 6. Add movement and action. Incorporate movement and action into your visualization to make it more dynamic and engaging. Imagine yourself actively participating. Visualization is a powerful technique to manifest anything you desire in life. It involves using your imagination to create a mental picture of your ideal outcome. To start, find a quiet space where you can relax and focus. Close your eyes and take deep breaths to calm your mind. Begin by visualizing your goal in vivid detail. Imagine yourself already achieving it, feeling the emotions associated with success. See the colors, hear the sounds, and feel the sensations that accompany your achievement. As you continue visualizing, make your image more and more detailed. Visualize the steps you took to reach your goal and the obstacles you overcame along the way. Repeat this process daily, making sure to remain consistent and persistent. Visualization works by programming your subconscious mind to align with your desires and attract them into your life. The more you can see, feel, and believe in your desired outcome, the more likely it will manifest. Trust in the process and release any doubts or limitations. Gradually, you'll notice a shift in your thoughts, behaviors, and circumstances, leading you closer to your goals. Remember, visualization is a tool that can be used to create positive change in any area of your life. Use it wisely and watch your dreams materialize before your eyes.